edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Oh, it's been too long.
And orange, you ready for Celsius Live Fit Sparkling Orange Energy?
I'm glad. Orange, you glad?
I am orange glad. So this should be good.
Some orange chicken to go with it.
Ooh, yeah, orange chicken, that'll be good.
Alright, so we got in there important factors. We got ourselves 10 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrate, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 micrograms of biotin, 10 milligrams of lovely acid, 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium, and 0 sodium. And we got the 1.81 grams of the proprietary energy Meta Plus blend, which includes taurine, guarana extract, caffeine, and ginger extract along with green tea leaf. Nice.
Yeah.
Which turns out to be 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Nice.
I can't wait.
Does that? We have to see how this tastes. Is it going to taste like an orange, or is it going to taste a little bit like an orange soda? Doesn't smell, so.
Or would it be like a sparkling light orange? A little bit's a little bit heavier than the light sparkling.
Almost, ooh.
Orange creamy or no?
No, but at the end, at the very end of your taste bud, you get a little bit of like fresh squeezed orange. It tastes like typical orange for the most part,
Okay.
but then at the very end, you get just a little bit of fresh squeezed orange juice.
Yeah, it's like a light sun-kissed almost.
Yeah.
That's interesting how they did that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. That little burst of
Yeah, just a little bit of burst of flavor. And Karuga! I don't know about. Well, that's tasty.
I like it.
Yeah, that's fascinating.
Now, where are you finding the best spot to get these?
The best place to find these last time was Target.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I got that for a really good deal. Bought so many for, I forget what the reduced price was, but then you also get a $5 Target gift card.
Oh,
so
what a deal.
that ended up being
Sweet.
pretty decent. So,
Okay.
but yeah, that was nice.
That's cool.
Because they were able to get all the flavors all at once. And that made it super easy. So
Nice.
that's tasty. I like it.
I like
I
that
could
too.
definitely go and pick that one up again.
Yeah.
and try
Anything
that out.
Orange and mango is
Yeah.
usually a shoe-in, but that one's really good.
Yeah, but
I like it.
that little bit of splash like fresh squeezed orange juice at the end of the taste. Wow, that is fascinating. So I would say SRT 392 because it is surprisingly good with how it's flavored. It's not just the regular orange, but it has a little bit of added flavor there at the end of the taste. So that's pretty good. That's good quality. So, all right, guys, let us know once again what kind of Celsius Energy is your favorite. Let us know what you think
Or
of
if you
this
like
particular
it.
flavor, and we'll see you guys here next time.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.